G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia. Welcome to Locksport, the home of online gaming, wonderful views and Australian wildlife. I do hope you like these videos, if so please subscribe. G'day one and all, how you all going? Now before I wander off down to the surf, run off down to the lake and then the surf beach, I haven't seen these fellas eating for a while. Look at the colours on this bird. Absolutely beautiful. Better lift it up a bit. Couldn't ask for a better backyard. Hey? Look at our messy magpie eater here. Beautiful looking bird too. It's got a nice colour, nice shine to the coat, would be the word to use for. It's a healthy looking bird. And this one here is sort of like, it's beautiful but it's just a bit too dark there. Then we've got the pigeons down below. There's a couple kangaroos around too, I saw next door. Oh well, they get scared away. Oh well, you'll take it easy everyone. My name's Wilfred West from Locksport, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you again for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You all have a great day now.